Presenting the Vivo V21 5G mobile. This phone is available in three variant colors: dusk blue, arctic blue, sunset dazzle. The Vivo V21 mobile available in two variants to choose from: 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. It has dual SIM with dual standby option 5G, so you can carry a single phone around instead of two and will have access to high-speed internet. The 16.65 centimeters AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate and 2404 into 1080 pixels resolution provides truly immersive viewing experience by maximized screen size. It's ideal for gaming, watching videos, multitasking, browsing and more. The phone has a triple rear camera setup with 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel multifunctional camera and 2 megapixel super macro camera. The phone also has a 44 megapixel front camera to suit your convenience. Powered by Android version 11 FunTouch OS 11.1 operating system with MediaTek Dimensity 800U processor, this phone makes downloading, gaming as well as browsing very smooth. It also comes with a 33-watt flash charging 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery Type-C. The box includes handset, charger, USB cable, earphone jack adapter, SIM eject tool, case, warranty card and quick start guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.